It's Brookie.
I'm gonna call you Brookie. Just keep on going.
And McKenna. It's actually Brittany.
Just go. Just do it.
And hi, we are the twins with our new cooking show. So, you need mint plant, leaves, 2 fresh bowls of water,
And a rock.
Cup of sand, a rock, an empty bowl, flowers with water in them, a towel, scissors, and a stick
To start with.
to start with. Then you're gonna have another empty bowl. So you take the scissors, and then you start cutting them up. You start cutting up the leaves.
I'll be right back.
She'll be right back. Then you just keep on cutting the leaves. Might take me a little while. We're making a souffle. A green, yummy chicken and vegetable souffle. It's gonna take us a little while, so stay tuned.
Now show them like the flowers and stuff on the tree.
Stay tuned. She's back. She's gonna keep on talking.
Over. I gotta go get flowers. Start talking.
Hi. I'm gonna be over here getting flowers.
So we're just gonna cut out. We're gonna edit out this part because we don't. It's gonna just be boring watching us cut this up.
You want me to stop?
Bye. Wait, can we?